Welcome to the Young Trombone page. This is not necessarily for young people or kids, but this is for anyone who is just getting started out working with the trombone. So we're looking at page 27 here of Habits of a Successful Beginner Band Musician. We are working in the key of A flat at the beginning, so our B's, E's, A's, and D's are all flat. For the second one, lip slur exercises, no slide movement between the first few notes. So you do first position, then you head into second, head into third, but those pitches all match together. 5-step scale study, just a scale using 5 different pitches. I often refer to that when I'm working with kids as the 5-note scale or the half scale. Add-on, which is basically the same concept of just one note, add the second, and then go ahead and add the third. And then Lip Slur 4 takes us through our 3-pitch scales, or 3-pitch slurs, without moving slide until we get to our rests. And here's 120. Wow, that sucks. Here's 120. All right, and lip slur number 4. Thank you for checking out my trombone tutorial page. I appreciate it and look forward to seeing you again next time.